Upgrade your kitchen with high-quality, ultra-absorbent kitchen towels designed to handle spills, drying, and cleaning with ease. Durable and stylish, they're the perfect blend of practicality and elegance for any kitchen setup. That's why I've done the hard work for you, hours of research, reading countless reviews to bring you the very best options available. Whether you're looking for comfort, support, or value, this list has something for everyone. Stick around, and if you're curious about the details or prices, check the description below. Choosing the perfect kitchen towel can be overwhelming, with so many options out there, each offering different features, benefits, and price points. Now, let's dive into the top kitchen towels that could transform your comfort. Product 1. Swedish Wholesale Dishcloths. Swedish dishcloths, reusable and compostable sponge cloths made of cellulose and cotton, can prevent waste from single-use paper towels and cut down on things you need to restock. We tried out several popular Swedish dishcloth brands, as well as some thin flannel cloths designed to be paper towel replacements, and we liked these the best. Available in a few solid colors, including white, our tester loved using these to wipe up liquid and cleaning around the kitchen. These are great for cleaning the counters, windows, mirrors, some dishes, and even floors. Our tester was so impressed with how easily they cleaned with just water and how quickly they dried, with no smell. Only measuring 8 by 7 inches, these are primarily for cleaning and not displaying. Product 2. Zephyr Classic Kitchen Towels. These inexpensive Zephyr Classic Kitchen Towels pleasantly surprised us in testing. Featuring a simple stripe in the middle of the towel and available in 5 color combinations, these towels feel thin but durable. With a herringbone weave, the construction feels thicker than a tea towel but thinner than terry and dual-sided towels. Mostly lint-free, these towels are great for drying dishes and hands and wiping up light messes and crumbs. Measuring just 14 by 25 inches, these kitchen towels are one of the smallest, but in combination with the herringbone weave, the smaller size actually means these double as the perfect dinner napkins. Product 3. Utopia Kitchen Flour Sack Tea Towels. These towels are large, at 28 by 28 inches, and surprisingly absorbed liquid pretty well during testing, almost as well as the Splurge flour sack towels. Plus, they're lint-free and didn't leave any streaks on glasses and silverware during testing. Overall, they're best for hand drying, light cleaning, and food tasks like drying produce after washing, covering bread dough, or draining tofu. Due to the large size, these do need to be folded multiple times to hang over a cabinet pole, but they do come with a corner loop for hanging too. This type of towel, which is 100% cotton, is also nice for craft projects like tie-dyeing and embroidery. Since they're so inexpensive, needing to replace these towels after a while due to stubborn stains or snagging wouldn't be as big a deal as the more expensive options. Product 4. Microfiber Kitchen Towels. Despite how much liquid it retained, it also dried completely within 6 hours, the quickest of all the towels tested for the absorbent category. At just over $2 per towel, this microfiber towel set is a great choice for homes with frequent messes from kids and pets or frequent dish drying. Since microfiber is lint-free, though avoid washing it with other fabrics to keep it that way, these towels are great for drying dishes and glassware and cleaning surfaces without causing streaks. This cloth would work well for dusting and non-kitchen cleaning tasks too. With 6 colors available in a simple stripe pattern and corner loops for easy hanging, a big bonus of these towels is that they're actually stylish, not a feature microfiber is typically known for. Product 5. Allclad Dual-Sided Cotton Dish Towels. With small terry loops on one side for ideal absorbency for spills and a flat, lint-free side for drying and polishing, these top-performing 100% cotton kitchen towels from Allclad can do it all. Available in 11 colors and featuring a minimal stripe pattern, these towels are aesthetically pleasing without sacrificing any function. Since the terry side is absorbent and the flat side is lint-free, they're ideal for almost every kitchen task, from mopping up spills to drying glasses and silverware. The weight feels heavy and durable, and they're perfect for folding over and using as an oven mitt in a pinch. They're on the pricier side, but they're cheaper than others we liked, and are multi-purpose enough to warrant the extra few dollars for towel. That wraps it up for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more daily content. For product prices or further details, check the description below. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment. I'm here to help. Stay tuned for more awesome products that are sure to make your life easier and more comfortable. See you in the next one.